1954 Ford Custom Line engine. True blue metallic. Dove gray metallic. Chesapeake, Virginia. Pretty cool. I tell you, I think this might be Wayne Taylor over here. 1937 Roadster. I'm sure that's Wayne.
That was turned into a Mercury with a cyclone. When you turn the Fairlane rear quarter on it, you can look at it and tell what it was.
Wayne? Wayne?
Yeah.
Wayne? Bob
Yeah.
Jones.
Hey, Bob. Yeah.
You didn't recognize me, did you?
Oh no, I didn't.
I shaved. This yours here?
No. Mine's over there by the John.
Oh,
All the way over.
and what is it?
64 Fairlane.
All right, I'm gonna go look for it.
All right. I'll be over there after a
All
while.
right, man. I thought this was Wayne's. But that, hey, I knew Wayne. Didn't know his car. We'll go look for that. Walk back down to it. Man, they got, I don't know if you can tell, but there's hundreds of cars out here. The people up in the woods with them. I mean, all right. Here's the old Impala that Dad broke my heart. Sold a Fairlane Ford 57. We got that 62. I'm not sure what year this is. Mighty clean. Mr. Haynes' old Impala didn't look anything like this. Hi. What year?
60.
60. My dad had a 62. We had a 57 Fairlane Ford, which I loved, and he went to the 62, you know, and I remember driving that thing many a day. I miss them. This is a 60.